In this video, I am going to teach you how to activate Docusign account. So in order to do that, first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is docusign.com. So from Docusign, it's actually renamed into that part. Now in here, you can see this. So what you can do is you can head over and then click onto this try for free, or you can also just input right here your actual work email and click onto this get started. Also, make sure that you're on the correct URL or to the correct region right here. I'll just choose Philippines. And for this one, just head over and input your company email. Once you have inputted right here your email, you will be asked to input your information. So just input right here some information. And then for that, input as well your phone number. And then you can see in here your sample signature. Click on next. And then after you have done that, you will be prompted to the sign up page of DocuSign. So from in there, you will be given a code that you just need to input onto your DocuSign in order to proceed with your login. So you can find it onto the actual email that you have provided once you try to sign up. You just need to send this or confirm this with the link instead, and then you should be able to actually verify this as well and then choose a phone number that will be added to your DocuSign as well. Once you successfully confirm your email as well as your phone number, you should be able to go and then try to log in on your actual DocuSign. You will also be asked to input your preferred password so you can use it in order to log in into the DocuSign itself. And then from in there, you should be able to up or log in directly into your DocuSign and access its particular templates and features. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.